guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing with you guys some more winter DIYs. So this first DIY, I'm using this wood piece from Walmart. I've had this for so long and I had no idea what to do with it. I'm using this pearl olive green color by ARTEZA, and like today, I do want to thank ARTEZA for sponsoring today's video. I'm also using this wood round piece. It does say bar and grill on the other side. This I picked up at Joann's over the summer. I think it was like 80% off. It was, I think, under $2, and I just really like this. I'm just using the black, Mars Black by ARTEZA, and I'm using a little bit of water, and it does seem to work a lot better just because their paint is so thick, and I did not want to use a lot, but I really love how this turned out. I only needed one coat, and it was good to go. And once everything was dry, I went back in with these fabric paints. I love these. I'm just using the titanium white so I can make a really cute, like a snow covering the top of this wreath since we are doing winter decor. And then I'm just going to be hot gluing the wreath to the black sign, and I'm just using the ARTEZA glue gun. I've been using this for a while now, and I really like it because it is drip free. And now I'm just going to be using my Cricut to cut out a little deer silhouette. This vinyl is by ARTEZA as well. I didn't technically have to use every ARTEZA item, but I do anyways. So I thought I would just show you guys everything that I use, even when I do behind the scenes type things. Sometimes I don't show what vinyl I'm using and I just kind of go with it. But I really like this because it is not rolls, it is just sheets, which I absolutely love. Anything vinyl sheet. Next DIY, I'm using the Mars Brown by ARTEZA, and I'm just going to be dumping some of this in some water to make my own stain. You can use any kind of acrylic paint or any kind of paint. This will work, but I just really love this color. And I am just going along the tops of this wooden canvas. This is also by ARTEZA. I had this. This is like the last one I have. It comes in like a 4-pack, I want to say. I have used this in the past, but I've had one left over and I did not know what to do with it. So I thought, you know what? Let's make a winter DIY with this really cool wooden canvas. I'm going to be using this little oval wood piece. This is from Walmart, and I am just going to be painting it with the titanium white by ARTEZA. Then I'm just going to be gluing the wood piece to the center of the wood canvas, and I did not paint the back because if we're going to be gluing it, what is the use of painting both sides when you don't really need to? And next I decided to go in with a Chalkature Silk Transfer. I love Chalkature if you guys did not know already. I'm just going to be placing that in the center of this wood piece, and then I'm just going to be using the black and the eucalyptus chalk paste for the Christmas trees. And then to top off this piece, I'm just using some Dollar Tree stickers. I really love these. I'm adding them to each corner of the canvas just to give it a little bit of something. I did not want to go over the top with this because I really love layering my pieces when I put them on shelves or my countertop. So I figured I'd end up adding some trees around here for winter decor. So I did not want to add like bows or greenery, anything like that. I feel like it kind of just takes away your entire piece when you add too much. Is a quick and easy one. I'm using some of these acrylic paint pens. I love these. I was really excited to receive these because these are a lot smaller and thinner than the ones that I have. You've been using these for years, and they are some of my favorite things I've used. I'm also using a little wood snowflake ornament. I'm going to be using the black paint pen or the paint marker. I think it's acrylic paint markers. And if you want to know the exact term, and I'm going to be painting this entire snowflake. And then I use that galvanized jar just to glue the snowflake right to the center of the jar. And then after that, I just end up going in with the titanium white ARTEZA acrylic paint and just kind of dabbing on some white paint just to make it look more wintry and not as plain, because I did kind of leave this one simple as well. As DIYs, I'm going to be using these cute little chalkboard canvases from Dollar Tree, and I just used some ARTEZA vinyl to cut out some deer, and then I am just using the ARTEZA transfer tape as well, and just adding some cute little deer to these chalkboards. That's all I did. These don't even have to just be winter. These can be all the time decor, and that is why I am obsessed with these ones. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, thank you again to ARTEZA for partnering with me today on this video. And if you guys do want to check out ARTEZA, I will leave links with a coupon code in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!